Welcome to SmartFarm Documentary. This is where agriculture becomes a balance of speed planning and execution. Today we follow the journey of pomelo, one of the most recognizable citrus fruits in tropical agriculture. With its thick peel, large size, and refreshing sweet flavor, pomelo has become an important fruit for both local markets and international trade. But a premium pomelo does not happen by chance. It is the result of careful orchard planning, patient tree care, precise harvesting, and smart processing. From the moment a young tree is planted to the moment the fruit is packed for consumers, every step affects its taste appearance and market value. Pomelo farming usually begins with grafted seedlings. Farmers prefer grafting because it helps maintain the best traits of the mother tree, such as fruit size, sweetness, disease resistance, and stable yield. Before planting, the soil is loosened and enriched with organic matter. Pomelo trees grow best in fertile soil with good drainage because standing water can damage the roots and weaken the tree. Farmers also design the orchard with enough spacing between trees so sunlight can reach the canopy and air can move freely. During the first years, watering and fertilization are especially important. Nitrogen supports leaf and branch growth, while phosphorus and potassium help with flowering fruit development and sweetness. Farmers also prune the trees to remove weak branches, shape the canopy, and reduce disease risk. When the trees begin flowering, growers carefully monitor the number of flowers and young fruits. If too many fruits remain on one tree, the final crop may become smaller and less uniform. By thinning excess fruit, farmers allow the remaining pomelos to grow larger, heavier, and more attractive for premium markets. Harvesting pomelo requires patience and experience because the fruit is large and heavy. It must be picked carefully to avoid bruises, cracks, or broken stems. Farmers judge maturity by observing skin color, fruit, firmness, size, and sometimes sweetness level. A pomelo harvested too early may taste flat and lack aroma. If harvested too late, it may lose storage quality and become less suitable for long-distance transport. Each fruit is cut from the branch using sharp tools. For fruits growing high in the tree, workers use long-handled picking tools with baskets to lower them gently. After harvest, pomelos are placed into crates with care so they are not crushed by their own weight. After harvest, pomelos move into the post-harvest stage. Some are sent directly to fresh markets, while higher-grade fruits are prepared for supermarkets or export. At packing facilities, the fruit is washed to remove dust sap and field residue. Next, pomelos are sorted by size, weight, appearance, and skin condition. Fruits with clean surfaces, balanced shape, and uniform size are selected for premium sales. Others may be redirected to processing lines instead of being wasted. In processing plants, the thick peel is removed by machines or skilled workers. The fruit is then separated into segments, and the edible flesh is prepared for fresh-cut packaging, juice, drying, or other food products. One valuable part of pomelo is the peel. Instead of throwing it away, factories can process it into candied peel, marmalade flavor extracts, essential oil, or natural cleaning ingredients. This helps increase profit while reducing waste. Pomelo can reach consumers in many forms. The most common is fresh whole fruit, packed in cartons, or protective wrapping for domestic and export markets. Another growing product is ready-to-eat pomelo segments. These are peeled, cleaned, packed in trays or sealed containers and sold for convenient consumption. Dried pomelo is also produced using controlled dehydration to create a longer-lasting snack. Behind every pomelo is the work of farmers, harvesters, packers, and processing teams. Farmers spend years caring for trees before they reach stable production. Harvest workers must handle each fruit with skill because one careless drop can reduce its value. In factories, workers inspect, sort, peel, and package the fruit to meet market standards. Even when machines support washing and grading, human judgment still plays an important role in final quality control. Pomelo farming also supports rural economies. It creates income through cultivation, transportation, packaging, processing, and export. For many growing regions, pomelo is not only a fruit crop, but also a long-term agricultural business. The journey of pomelo is a story of patience, care, and value creation. From grafted seedlings and carefully managed orchards to manual harvesting, sorting, processing, and packaging, each stage shapes the final product. What makes pomelo special is its ability to serve many markets. It can be sold fresh, packed as convenient fruit segments, dried into snacks, or processed through its peel. Into added value products. From orchard to global market, pomelo shows how modern agriculture can transform a traditional tropical fruit into a competitive and profitable product.